temperatures continue to rise at an alarming rate, while dry conditions increase. This can lead to unprecedented wildfires, especially in high-risk areas. One of the potential causes are overloaded surge arresters, installed on overhead distribution lines, which can cause sparks and ignite dry land underneath. After all, one spark is all it takes. Reducing the risk of wildfires is made possible by introducing innovation as part of the solution. If a surge arrestor is overloaded and does not cool down, Hitachi Energy's Spark Prevention Unit, SPU, ensures that the overloaded surge arrestor shuts down before thermal failure even occurs. Hundreds of thousands of installed SPUs have prevented wildfires around the world, including in high-risk areas in the United States and Australia. Thus, power grids have been made much more resilient. Today, we are building on that innovation by giving technology a digital advantage with the Wireless SPU Indicator. This solution efficiently transmits the status of SPUs to utilities in real time. This optimizes maintenance programs and replacement planning and ensures continuous wildfire protection. The Wireless SPU Indicator is a key tool for a strategic approach to mitigating wildfire risks. At Hitachi Energy, we understand the urgency of addressing today's challenges to make the world's energy system more sustainable, flexible, and secure.